Look, come here, baby, let me crumble your cookie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the real Choco Bree, and today I'm here reorganizing and redoing my hallway closet. So this is most of where me, my mom, and sister put certain items. I actually got this basket from Target for $20. So I'm just gonna reorganize most of these stuff that are in here. I'm gonna put in the toilet paper we keep in there, Bounty, medical supplies, shower supplies, soaps, and everything like that. So I'm just gonna reorganize everything that we have. So this second shelf, I'm gonna be putting the toilet paper here because we had I think it was 2 bags of toilet paper that I put in the closet, if I'm not mistaken, or it was 1 bag, but it just came in separate like packages, like little packages, but it was in one big bag. So I'm just putting them away slowly. So I'm removing the items on the 3rd shelf. Those are mostly medical supplies, medicines, like, you know, Tums, Pepto-Bismol, certain things like that, Alka-Seltzers. So yeah, I'm just still removing all these stuff that are here. Oh my God, I have so much junk in here. The junk was just put down. Just put down. I was actually recording a TikTok the same time I was recording this video. So that's why you see my phone here. These 2 baskets I bought from Target as well. One of them were $14 and one of them just putting the alcohol peroxide, all of those at reach. So they're in the flatter bucket or basket, I should say. The higher one, I can't reach those supplies, so it's better to put the alcohol and stuff like that are easier to reach in the flat one. So the shorter one is where all the medication is going to go. Pepto-Bismol, as you guys can see, Tylenol, Alka-Seltzer, my son's medicines, everything like that. So everything is just going to go in there and get organized as I'm going along. Making sure everything is put in the right way. So now these are the hair supplies. That basket was $20. These are the hair supplies. These are the hair supplies that mostly get used in the house. As you guys can see, soap, perm, blow dryer, flat iron, color, dyes, all that stuff is going in that basket. Spray that I put water in for my son's hair. That shampoo. I don't really use that I think it's VO8 or something like that. Shampoo. I just use it for when I want to take out the color out of my wigs and recolor it another color. But other than that, I don't use that on my natural hair. I do use Cantu, but at the time my Cantu was in the bathroom, so yeah, I didn't put it in there. That bag is where all the hair items were, and that was so ghetto to me. I'm like, I gotta get something to put these stuff in and reorganize it, because the way that closet was looking before the organization happened was ridiculous, you guys. So now it's my stuff. I'm just trying to remove my stuff. I got more baskets again. That basket, I believe, was $12 or $14. And the style of it is the reason why they were a little bit pricey. But I like the color of that basket. Target actually ran out and they had no more. So that's why I had to end up getting those 2 lighter color ones that the medicine stuff are in, because that color was gone. It ran out. My friend bought this for me for my birthday, and I just realized that I didn't open it, and I found it. Body and Earth supplies, guys. I have to try it out. So I did go to Home Goods. As you guys can see, it flied past. I'm so behind here, but yeah, it flew past. But I did go to Home Goods and I got a few items, and I'm gonna get right with you guys in a minute to show you guys what I got. Just putting the Bounty away on the very top, because the very top doesn't really have shelves. It's just a big area space. So I did get these disposable face masks for my son because he needs them. So this lemon and red currant That candle smelled really good, you guys. It was really, really good. Home Goods, $15. Amber and Fig, Home Goods, you guys, $12.99. Iceberry, got this for Home Goods. I think it was $7.99 if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just gonna put these in the other basket. This basket is the same one actually as the one with the hair, but they're the same. It's not the same basket, but it's the same basket. These two items I'm gonna put the cotton balls in and the Q-tips. These were like $3. My mom said I should get them because it's to put the Q-tips to put the Q-tips in and the cotton balls. So yeah. I'm trying to rip off the tag of how much it costs because that's kind of ghetto. These lights, you pin them or just, you know, slap them on the wall, press it, lights up, and yeah, that's how the closet came out, you guys. It wasn't really much work, but it was a lot of work, trust me. Just because the video is 6 minutes or 7 minutes doesn't mean that this did not take time. It took time, you guys, but hope you guys enjoyed. Later.
Look, come here, baby, let me crumble your cookie.